Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a super cute and easy fish, step by step, perfect for beginners and kids. You can follow this line immediately with your step-by-step drawing tutorial. Let me know if you want a more formal, playful, or artistic variation. If your drawing, pencils, and papers are ready, let's start our training. Step 1. Begin the fish outline by drawing its eye. Use 3 overlapping curved lines to enclose the shape of the eye. Step 2. Use curved lines to enclose the teardrop-shaped lips. At the corner of the mouth, use short lines to enclose a rectangular shape. Step 3. Extend a long curved line from the bottom of the fish's mouth. This outlines the animal's belly. Step 4. Extend a long curved line from the top of the fish's mouth to form the top of its head and its back. Step 5. Use curved lines to enclose the fan shape of the fish's tail. Then draw a similar shape on its side, forming the pectoral fin. Detail the fin with curved lines. Step 6. Use a curved line to enclose another fin along the bottom of the fish's body. Texture this fin and the tail with curved lines. Step 7. Enclose another fin along the bottom of the fish. This is the caudal fin. Texture the fin with a series of curved lines. Step 8. Use a curved line to enclose the dorsal fin on top of the fish. Texture the fin with curved lines. Step 9. Texture the fish's body with patches of U-shaped scales. Your fish outline is now complete. Color your cartoon fish. We've shaded ours orange and red like a goldfish.